Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your 2018 Toyota Corolla LE with the upgrade package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a stunning galactic aqua mica. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of upgraded 16-inch wheels. You also have your LED running lights that are fully automatic, your power adjustable side mirrors, and your pre-collision alert sensor right on the front bumper there. But why don't we head on inside and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and your panic button. To unlock the driver's side, simply press once. And to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. Opening it up now. Really great dark interiors right off the bat. Sporty and stylish. You have that sweet contrasting trim and stitching, as well as your handy power windows and your power locks. On the side here, you have your power adjustable mirrors, and perfect for those cold winter months, we have your heated steering wheel. Below, your all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean when things start getting messy outside. And the beautiful part about your Corolla's interiors are these two-tone fabric sport seats all throughout. And letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof. Why don't we start it up and take a look at your interior features. Starting up your Corolla is super easy. Simply put the key into the ignition, the foot on the brake. Your vehicle will start up for you with that really great sporty ambient lighting. We have your dashboard menu, which you can control with your hands-free and your steering wheel mounted controls here. So you currently have your lane departure warning on, and that would be right there, as well as your dynamic radar cruise control, all part of your Toyota safety sense. You have your beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel with all your volume control and mode changers, as well as your hands-free calling. We have your cruise control below. And on the side here, you have your awesome 6.1-inch LCD screen, which is a touch screen, and it has your controls on the side as well. You have your CD player on top with your AM/FM radio, and if you want to plug any media in, you have your USB and your auxiliary input. With your hands-free calling, of course, you have your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your tunes wherever you go. What's really great with your climate control is its super modern styling with these beautiful chrome tabs, which you can adjust your temperature, your fan, and that air. You do have your automatic climate control as well, which can be activated from that button. Almost a must with Alberta vehicles, you need your heated seats, so you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger, as well as that 12-volt DC charger and USB auxiliary input. Below we have some storage, as well as that extra sporty touch with that leather trim on your shift knob. We have your traction control. We see that leather and chrome again on your parking brake, and with your cup holders, which these do come out for easy cleaning. Taking a look at your center console. Easy cleaning again with these mats that are removable. Plenty of space to store everything that you need. And your additional top shelf, which you can store anything smaller on top there. In your glove box over here, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. Really great detailing with your fans on the side there. You have that leather on your upper dash. Just really sporty and fun inside. But why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla. To open up that trunk there, simply hold the release button on your fob and it'll pop open for you. Perfect for when you have your hands full. Opening it up now. Plenty of space to store everything you need, as well as this handy hardcover, which underneath does have your spare tire with all the tools and your jack in case anything does happen. What's great about your Corolla is you also do have a cargo lamp so that everything that you store can be visible. And you also do have your 40-60 split folding rear seats. Up here you have the emergency release. We'll close it up. As you can see, you also have your backup camera available as well as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. But why don't we take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla LE with your upgrade package. With all of that sporty leather trim inside and your power moonroof and that 6.1-inch LCD screen, it really does just match your style. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive, see how it fits into your lifestyle. We are easy to find at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. And until I see you next time, drive safe.